everybody, welcome to KwhOnlyEv channel. This is Banger. So I am taking my car back to the dealership. There's something going on after the software update that I'm not sure what it is. So I recorded the video yesterday after I picked it up. So I'm glad that I drove the car, because if not, I will find out till like maybe today when I drive it and start realizing something funny. So what I realized, as you can see, the hands-free icon is on. I just turned that on. The lane keep assist is always on, but the problem is the lane keep assist is grayed out instead of being green on a regular road that has lane markings. And then this right here that shows the speed limit, once I start going a little bit higher than the regular speed limit, is showing 100 miles more flickering, like switching in between. And it's like, I don't know what's going on. So I'm going to take it back to the dealer today. I called there, the answer. So hopefully I can get somebody to take a look at it, because I don't think that's safe for me to drive, because I noticed the vehicle has been driving not the proper way. So I'm going to take it back. So I'm going to take it back and see what it is. Maybe the software they installed the software is not compatible with the vehicle, or it's just not right. So I'll find out what the issue is. Hopefully they can fix it today, because I think they close early today. I'm not sure, but I'll see. If not, maybe tomorrow. So thank you for watching. If this is your first time viewing the channel, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. So I'll see you at the dealership.
All right, so I just want to add this to it, because I didn't get enough time to record the process when I got there. I just want to drop it off and get them to get me Uber to drop me back home, so that I can take care of some personal stuff. So well, there was a software issue with a car, and I mean, for everything was going wrong, from the instrument cluster displaying the speed limit was irregular speed limit, and also the highway driving assistant wasn't working. The smart cruise control cruise wasn't working. Then I realized the seat belt stopped working. Both the front passenger and the passenger, the proximity sensor wasn't working. So if I was driving the car beside me, I probably will run into another vehicle. It was just everything went wrong. So things happen when it comes to software update. So I'm not gonna blame the dealership for whatever happened. They did it and something went wrong, but this is the first time of something like that happening. So I mean, it happened. Things happen. I mean, I've installed software on electronics, computers and stuff, and it corrupted, and it bricked or went to a boot loop. So things happen. At least the vehicle was able to drive. It didn't break the vehicle, so I'm glad about that. So so I'm about to go. The next video is going to be on when I went to pick up the car, and I explain a little bit more about what happened.
Hello everybody, welcome to KwhOnlyEv channel. This is Banger. So today I am going back to the Kia dealership to pick up my 2024 Kia EV9. Well, last week I took it in for 60,000 miles inspection, and during the process they told me I have a software update that would be installed, so I told them to go ahead and do that. Unfortunately, after the software update, I picked up the vehicle and I noticed a few things were happening to the car, and it's like, okay, maybe it's just something, I don't know, let me just drive it and go and come back, until I started noticing a few other things. So this is my first time experience with any issue with the software update from the being installed by the dealership. So I don't know what happened. Maybe that file corrupt, whatever the file that was installed. So yeah, so I started noticing that the lane keep assist is on, but it's not operational. also the cruise control is not working, or when it comes on, I mean the highway driving assistant, whenever it comes on, it is like the speed limit, the speed gauge is fluctuating. Same thing whenever I'm driving on a highway, the speed limit gauge is fluctuating, like hundreds of miles different or so, or 75-50 miles difference. So it's like, this is not right, something's not right. I removed the connector the adapter that I had on the vehicle for my dash cam, that it doesn't have, because I know it doesn't have anything to do with it, because I know there's software related issue. And I called them, it's like, hey, I have an issue, you guys need to be aware of this, because this car is not performing correctly. So they told me, yeah, bring it back in. Actually, I brought it back the next day. They said they have to keep the car. So I said, you know what, I'll just bring it back the third day. So during the process, I noticed that the only thing that works really great was the hands-free feature. Like, the car can able to drive. I mean, I control the accelerator, but it's just it stays in a lane. The vehicle stays in a lane, and even on a curvy road, it did great. So right now, I'm gonna try and see once well, they told me yesterday they finished everything. Everything's working for, it's functioning correctly. They restarted the software again. So but yeah, it was working great. Like, man, I don't even need to have lane keep assist on, you know, and it worked great. That's the only thing that works fine. The seatbelt indicator wasn't working. The driver's side what do you call it, sensor wasn't working. Even the proximity sensors were like, yeah, they weren't functioning properly, because it's like I have to get really close for those sensors to work on an object or a car for the sensors to work. So but I am picking it up today. They gave me this Kia Forte. Unfortunately, they didn't have any electric vehicle, so but, you know, I am at a dealership now. Oh yeah, if this is your first time viewing the channel, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Check out my other videos, road trip videos, maintenance inspection videos, accessory installation videos. And I did an accessory installation on Thursday. So what's today? Last week Thursday, correct? That's what I did. But yeah, all right, I will be back when I get my car. Oh yeah, I can see it over there. I'll be back. All right, so I got my car now. It appears there are a couple of things that have been reset. I believe they reset everything. Because right now, let me see here, let me park so I can get this. Let's park here first. Let me park here. Let me park here. So let's see here, let me set some things quick. So let me turn the heat down. Looks like they turn it on. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna find out if everything works good as supposed to, and I'll be back. All right, so yeah, it appears everything was fine, because whenever I backed out, the camera will be the backup camera will still be on, but now it works as it's supposed to.
Daddy.
Yes, princess.
Yeah, no, compliment.
Okay. And then putting the iPedal is on. I always put that on max. The iPedal, I kind of like it. I got used to it because it is great doing going on slow traffic. It is really great. So I'm about to test this when I get on the local road, see how that works. So All right, stay tuned for that. All right, so everything's working fine now. The lane keeper says, and the hands-free feature is working, and I'm going right now, and it is kind of handling it good. So let's see if it's going to ask me. Oh wow, interesting. Okay, it's asking me to hold on to this. That wasn't happening earlier. I mean, when I had that, it's like it wasn't asking me to hold the steering. As I said, it was driving perfectly. I just have to figure something out. I have to find out why. So as you can see, this is not fluctuating no more. It is just showing, displaying normal speed limit, because the last time this was I drove, it was just like something was AWire somewhere. Okay, the proximity sensor for the right side is on. Let me see if you guys can see that. Let's see. Okay, no, it's not. Okay, so the proximity sensor is already turned off. So I need to see for the left side, because yeah. So I'll be back. Just want to add this to it. I was just scrolling through it looks different now. That's a different software. Interesting. Yeah, that looks nice. I like that. That looks nice. I probably need to see something else. Let me see. Let me check the map. Is something different? Oh wow, the map looks different too. Let me see here. Look at the map. Oh wow. That looks different. So I'm gonna do more in-depth review on this. So the map do look different a little bit. You can see it is showing the speedway building, like a 3D view of the speedway, the Charlotte Motor Speedway. Okay, so let's see here. I got it. All right. Alright, so let me see if anything, I mean, I don't know, but so far everything is working as it's supposed to. As you can see, it is not the dot is not fluctuating. It is, I don't know what that blinking red dot means, but it's just I guess that's the speed limit. That's what's probably that's what's supposed to be the speed limit. Okay, so let's see here. There's a curvy road. Let's see if it's gonna ask me to hold it. No. Okay. Handle it. Okay, now it's asking me to hold the steering. All right. So it's not as. I would do something else. I'll probably have to turn off links, keep assist. Maybe that might do something, but we'll see. All right, thank you everybody for watching this. If you have the same similar issue what I experienced with my vehicle after a software update, let me know in the comment section. Or maybe this issue is just an isolated situation, but they got it fixed. I'm glad for that, and they did a great job. They gave me a rental car to drive around. Well, it's a rental car, but it is owned by Hendrix Kia. Hendrix Kia of Concord. So and they were great professional. They did awesome job, so I appreciate that. And shout out to the guys at Kia Hendrix Kia of Concord. Shout out to the guys. Okay, thank you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like the video. See you in another video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.